Yo, what up, people? It's your boy, the one and only. I go by the name of Tabang Innocent Mangolo. Quick one. I want to give an important notice to you guys that I'm no longer working with my former partner in Marumba Peach, Emmanuel Nanga Mate. But we're still rocking. We're still up in the streets, and I want to inform those who have booked us for the future that they should not panic. We're still coming to rock the shows. And yeah, that's all. We're having new music dropping soon, and we're going to be having new handles such as like Instagram and Facebook. But in TikTok, we still have the same page, and also in YouTube, we still have the same page. So yeah, details dropping soon. Do not worry, we're right here. Shout out to the one and only. Send love. We love you so much. Peace out.
What up, and welcome back to Chef the Soul TV News. If you're new, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also like this video. Do comment on the section down below. Sizoke uvo lwakho mayelana nalolu daba. So lana ke siniphathele ke amapiano duo uMarumba Peach ethinta ke laphana ke uThabang wakwaMangolo ke no Emmanuel laphana ke asabe decide ukuthi ke bahlukana ke ezichu. So umuntu nomuntu usezoyibonela ukuthi ke wenza ini. So they've decided to part ways due to irreconcilable differences and different visions of their future. So they reached a mutual agreement to terminate their partnership and also a contractual relationship on mhla 6 njengoba ke kade kumhla 6 2025 kuMarch. Despite the split, they emphasized that they will still honor existing bookings and continue to release new music independently. So it's always tough when creative partnerships end, but it sounds like they are both looking forward to new opportunities. As a fan, when do you think if ever you have anything to say or if ever you know anything, do comment on the section down below. Uthini ke umbono wakho. Nansi ke eyama video bafethu abake bayiposta elinye ke lawo ke amalungu ayo eMarumba Peach besho noma ligcizelela khona ukuthi ke no abantu abangathuki, but then yes, they've decided to part ways.